EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a stylish and efficient solution for creating soft, chewable pebble ice. Designed for modern kitchens, it produces up to 30 pounds of nugget ice per day, perfect for cocktails, sodas, and smoothies. The quick ice-making cycle delivers fresh ice in as little as 15 minutes, ensuring you're always ready for guests or daily use. Its compact design fits seamlessly on countertops, making it ideal for homes or RVs. The intuitive control panel simplifies operation, and the transparent lid lets you monitor ice production at a glance. Equipped with a self-cleaning function, maintenance is hassle-free and convenient. The removable ice basket and scoop make serving and storing ice effortless. Quiet and energy efficient, it operates smoothly without disrupting your space. Add a touch of luxury to your drinks with the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop.